To use a Rebtel calling card, start by signing up for a Rebtel account on their website or by downloading the Rebtel app on your mobile device. Once you have an account, purchase a calling card by selecting the country you want to call and the amount of minutes you need. You can pay using a credit card or other payment methods. After purchasing the calling card, you will receive a local access number and a PIN code. The local access number is the number you will dial to connect to Rebtel's network, and the PIN code is used to authenticate your account. To make a call, dial the local access number from your phone. Then enter your PIN code when prompted. Once you are connected to Rebtel's network, dial the international number you want to call, including the country code. For example, if you want to call a number in the United Kingdom, you would dial 44, followed by the rest of the phone number. One of the key benefits of using a Rebtel calling card is the ability to make cheap international calls. Rebtel offers competitive rates and high-quality calls, making it a great option for people who need to make regular international calls. To get the most out of your Rebtel calling card, make sure to check the rates and minutes included in your calling card before making a call. You can also use the Rebtel app to track your usage and balance, and to recharge your account when you run out of minutes. Best practices for using a Rebtel calling card include keeping your PIN code secure and being aware of any additional fees or charges that may apply. It is also a good idea to check the Rebtel website for any promotions or discounts that may be available. Overall, using a Rebtel calling card is a simple and cost-effective way to make international calls. By following these steps and best practices, you can make high-quality calls to friends and family around the world without breaking the bank.